Welcome to Egypt, the land of pyramids and minarets. Bikes play an important role in people's lives here. Be it to maneuver through packed roads or get speed thrills, one thing's for sure. It's the fastest way to get across the city, or at least it should be.
When we explored Egypt, we realized the importance a two-wheeler has in the day-to-day life of an Egyptian. However, we soon realized a growing discomfort in the mind of an Egyptian with regards to the Chinese manufactured bikes they were using and the problems they had caused, like overheating and stalling, noise and vibration, and poor handling. Moreover, the lack of proper public transport indicated the need for a safe, quick, and reliable transportation in this market. This is when we decided to enter this market and give to Egypt a no-problem bike, the Bajaj Boxer 150.
To demonstrate why the Bajaj Boxer is called the no-problem bike and how it effectively tackles all the problems, we put it through a series of endurance tests. First, the vibration and jerks test. Let's see whether the Boxer can take this cup of tea around an entire circuit of bad roads without spilling it. The Bajaj Boxer is armed with superior SNS suspension and a vibration-free exhaust deck engine, which guarantees a smooth, comfortable ride. The spring-in-spring suspension consists of parallel double-rated springs. It ensures better suspension and provides a comfortable ride across all operating conditions, like city driving, outskirts, and countryside driving conditions. Not only that, the dual color of the spring adds to the beauty of the bike. The CDI unit is a digital unit which helps in giving the bike an optimum performance. It doesn't allow the engine to vibrate as it provides the right amount of fuel to the engine at high speeds and acceleration. It manages accurate ignition timings at all levels of engine load and speed with respect to engine RPM. The swing arm of the Boxer 150 is the longest, which makes the ride vibration-free and very stable. The tubular cross-section makes it stronger and sturdier for a smooth and safe ride. Now the overheating and stalling test. Currently, the bikes in the Egypt market tend to overheat and stall every 40 minutes. So we put the Boxer on the worst possible circuit and decided to run it not for 40 minutes, not for 50 minutes, but for an entire day. As you can see, the exhaust deck engine of the Boxer will never overheat and stall, even in the toughest conditions. It has a separate cylinder head with air pockets. This allows the air to enter, ensuring effective cooling and preventing engine overheating. A carburetor with separate circuits for starting, accelerating, and high speed. This ensures a perfect mix of air-fuel mixture at all times, leading to optimum performance. The air filter is bigger in size. This allows optimum airflow and prevents dust from entering the engine block. It has a two-layered foam-type filter which ensures perfectly cleaned air to the engine, a useful feature on dusty Egyptian roads. Last but not the least, the advanced exhaust deck technology gives better low-end torque, avoiding frequent change of gears, which is important to prevent the engine from overheating. Exhaust deck is incorporated in the silencer to induct optimum volume of air-fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber at mid-range engine revolutions. Up next is the noise test. As the biker rides past the table, a song is played on low volume. Let's see if the rider can hear it over the noise of the bike. The secret behind the almost negligible noise of the Boxer is the thickness of the chassis and all the metal parts like footrest, tank and side stand. Rubber dampers of good quality are used and are bigger in size, creating a more dampening effect. Finally, we move on to the last test, the load carrying capacity test. Not only did we put a pillion rider on the Boxer, but also added extra load to it. The Boxer 150 has the ability to carry heavy load easily because it has a wide wheelbase, higher ground clearance and a broad seat to give you a comfortable ride, no matter what the load is. There you have it. No overheating or stalling, no vibrations, no jerks, no noise, and a whole lot of other features. Egypt, we proudly give you the Bajaj Boxer 150, the no-problem bike.